Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to create animation story using ChatGPT and Artflow AI. Creating animations has become easier with the help of AI. You can create your own animation within minutes. However, the advantage of this video over other video is that you don't have to do the task separately. It means that image production, sound production, and video creation were all done by a single AI tool. So creating this video involves two parts. One is writing story with ChatGPT and creating the animation with Artflow. Let's get started.
First, go to the ChatGPT. I will provide the link in the description for you. ChatGPT used to write a story about the child with supernatural abilities. Once the story is ready, we proceed the website Artflow. AI, if you haven't registered before, you need to sign up first. After registration, you enter the Explore environment. In the first step, you need to create your images, choose the image studio, and enter the image generation interface. I set the format to 3:2 ratio from the button section. Select Add Style in this section. You can choose your desired style. I choose 3D cartoon. Now I go back to my story and copy the first paragraph I pasted here. Then I click the Flow button and wait for the image to be generated. Similarly, I generate images for the rest of the programs. After the images are created, it's time to create the video from the left side. I select Video Studio and enter the video creation interface. Now for the first scene, I select the image that I created, and I choose dialogue and copy the text of the first paragraph. Then paste it in the section. Then from the left side, I select audio. I have chosen the voice in the effects section. I choose an effect for my image similarly. I preferred the other scenes in the same way. Once all the scenes are ready, I select Export. Finally, our animation is ready. Let's watch a short part of this video together once.
Upon a time, in a small town nestled deep within a mystical forest, there lived a child named Emily. She was an ordinary-looking girl with bright, curious eyes and a mischievous smile, but there was something extraordinary about her. Emily possessed supernatural abilities beyond. From a young age, Emily had displayed signs of her unique powers. She could manipulate the elements at will, causing the wind to dance around her, water to bend to her command, and flames to obey her every whim. Her parents, amazed and slightly bewildered, did their best to help her understand. But with great power came great responsibility, and Emily soon found herself facing a formidable challenge. The dark forces that lurked in the depths of the forest had sensed her presence and coveted her power.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like to support me. See you in the next AI tutorial video.